you know what? These products made me feel beautiful, yet totally myself. I feel like I have nothing on. Even on my lips, I feel like I don't have anything on, which is so weird. Like, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be talking about Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez's new makeup line. Everybody and their mother is talking about Rare Beauty, and for a good reason. I mean, the brand is so amazing. They're all about mental health and just embracing who you are as a person, embracing your natural beauty. I was kind of going through their Instagram and like, you know, just learning about the brand and learning about their vibe. And everybody just looks so like naturally beautiful and just looks like themselves. And it's just stunning. I mean, I absolutely love the brand. So I'm really excited to try out the products. I wasn't able to get the full makeup line just yet, but I did go and pick up the foundation, the concealer, a lip product, and an eyebrow pencil. So, you know, the packaging, I'm sure you guys have seen, is absolutely stunning, stunning packaging. Let's just have fun and do our makeup and see how these products perform. Okay? Okay. So I know they did come out with a primer, but primers are definitely optional. I do see the benefit to them, and I just did a lot of moisturizer and, you know, skincare, and I don't think I really need a primer right now because I'm not going anywhere, okay? So I'm not doing a primer, so I'm just gonna really just jump into the foundation. So this is the Rare Beauty foundation. I'm using the shade 270N. So this foundation is a big doe foot applicator. I love this because it's not messy, it's easy breezy. And the other thing that's really cool that I saw is right in the center, there's like a hole, which I guess the product kind of fills in there, which keeps you from having to like dip a million times. So you're supposed to get like a full face in just one swoop. So let's see. And I did hear that this is supposed to be like a lightweight yet buildable coverage. So you can totally sheer it out, or you should be able to, you know, build it up. But I know that this is supposed to, you know, look like your skin and just bring out your natural beauty. So I'm kind of just, honestly, no rhyme or reason, just kind of getting it all over. But I really want to see like how far will this product go with literally just the first time taking it out of the bottle. And I literally like have it all over my face. So that's kind of awesome. You know, no double dipping for a full face. And I'm just going to use a damp beauty sponge because that's how I like to blend out my foundation. So let's see what this does. I definitely have a lot of like maskne going on. Wow, this color is like working for me. Oh my God, I love it. This is like a very interesting consistency that I love. It's very unique. Feels like air, like not heavy whatsoever. Oh my goodness. This is kind of freaking me out because it looks so good. Was not expecting this. I'm not even gonna lie. Because it's different. It's so different. Oh my God, I love it. So it did, you know, cover, but gosh, it looks like my skin, which is so nice. It's like my favorite type of foundation is foundation that looks like my skin. I don't really wear heavy foundations anymore. I just want to keep like pouncing this into the skin because it's just so beautiful. Okay, I'm coming in close, but my skin looks incredible. It's almost like a soft matte. I think that that's what they're calling it because it's like, it's not super dewy, but it's not like sucking the life out of me. It's a soft matte, which I think that's why it looks so much like your skin. It's just a soft matte. Like, it looks like skin. That's like literally the best way to describe the finish is skin. Like, so good. Okay, so if you can't tell, first impression, I am loving it. It just looks like my skin, but better. And I feel like I have no makeup on, which is like the best feeling ever. So let's jump into the concealer. They do have matching ones that go with the foundation, which that would be perfect if, you know, you want to cover like acne and things like that. But since I personally like to use a brightening concealer, I like to go bright under the eyes in the center of my face, I picked up the neutral shade lighter than the foundation, which is 230N. So as you can see, this is like quite a bit lighter, but I really wanted a brightening concealer. I might go back and get the other one, like especially to cover up a guy like that. You don't want to go with like a super brightening to cover, you know, acne and acne scars and things, but that's okay. I'm going to use this one just for brightening purposes. So we are going to go, again, it's the same thing, a nice, amazing doe foot applicator. This is actually, again, a very unique doe foot shape. I don't know if that's even like focused, but it's a very unique doe foot shape, again, with like almost a crevice there to hold the product, which is really interesting. So I'm gonna go under my eyes. So as you can see, this is like quite a bit lighter than my skin. I just really wanted to give a nice brightening effect. I like to brighten down the center of my face. So little goes a long way. There was so much extra product in that doe foot. But now I'm going to take the same damp beauty sponge to blend this out. Just light taps is going to kind of keep the product there where I want it and give me that brightness and coverage, like just where I need it. First impression with the concealer, again, it is a very unique formula. It's definitely not your typical like thick, you know, full coverage concealer. That's like typically what I'm using. This is very hydrating, very lightweight, which I do appreciate, especially for under the eyes. It definitely gave like the nice brightening effect that I was going for. And I think that that's actually what this concealer is called for. It's called, I think it's called like the brightening concealer, which is perfect. I don't think it would be the absolute best for, again, full coverage, covering blemishes and things like that, but it looks like your skin. And that is the point of this line and this brand, is to look like you and embrace that. And I think that that is exactly what both of these products have done for me. Personally, I love that. This is like my holy grail of products, like look like my skin, but better. Absolutely love it. Give me some hydration, but nothing too crazy, like beautiful. Love it so much. Okay, let's jump into the brows because I am dying to do something with my brows. So this product is super unique as well. Oh, this twist. So it has a really cute little spoolie, like gel for your brows, and then it has a pencil on the other end. The only thing with the pencil is it's thick. I don't know if you guys can see or tell, but it is like a thick triangle, and I typically like a more precise brow pencil, like a really fine tip, especially when I'm doing makeup on clients and things, to give like little hair-like strokes. But you know what? We're gonna try this out. I still think it might work. Let me grab a little mirror here. And let's see. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 though, because I am such like a spoolie pencil kind of person. So let's see. So see, typically I'd brush my brow hairs up first, but I feel like I need to go in with the pencil because the spoolie has product on it. So let's just go in. Let's just see what happens. Okay, so right off the bat, super creamy and easy. Woo, okay. Love the color. Works for me. Can you guys see? Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Overdid it a little bit there. Okay, pretty. Cool. Let's try the spoolie. See, typically I'd use product and then the spoolie, brush the hairs up always. Okay. Whoa, girlfriend, look at my hairs. Oh my God. My brows are so bad. Okay, great. I'm just grabbing a like clean spoolie because that was kind of like a lot of product for me, and just kind of brushing it all, you know, through there because it's like thick, creamy product, which I totally appreciate, but you know, you just gotta go light hand. I think I went a little too heavy on the gel, but my brow looks really good. Super like fluffy, like honey. Hello, brow. Okay. Let me match my other side here. Really like the brow product. I think on natural days I could get away with just using the gel side. I really like to do that. It's a really nice gel formula. Natural days, like even if I'm not wearing any makeup, just brush the brow hairs up with the gel and be good to go. And then the pencil is very nice. I wish it was a little bit of a finer tip, but the formula is amazing. Super creamy, goes on so nice. So yeah, I love my skin and my brows. I feel like I need to do something with my eyes though. So the only eye product that she's come out with so far is a liquid liner, which I don't have. And plus I want to keep this super natural, and black liquid liner can get a little much sometimes, and I just want to be super natch. But I do need something on my eyes. So I'm going to pick up my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. You can use any bronzer, and I'm just literally gonna sweep this with a big fluffy brush all over my lid just to give me some color, and I'll put on some mascara and we will move on. But I just kind of want to see, you know, what everything looks like as like a full look. There we go. Nice and natural. All I did was brush the bronzer and then just do a nice light coat of mascara just to give me a little something something, and I feel much better. And I know I can do like bronzer, blush, highlight, but you know what? We're just keeping it all skin. I'm enjoying this. I'm totally enjoying just the natural look. I didn't set anything down with a powder, which again, for me is crazy. I would always set down my T-zone, and I didn't end up putting anything under my eyes. I don't know like how the transfer is going to be, but it looks like my skin and it feels like my skin, and I'm loving it. So I'm just going to leave it, and let's just finish it up with the lip. So let me get any makeup and like my lip balm off my lips. And I'm so excited about this lip product. Oh my God, it's stunning. This is in the shade Brave. I feel like this is going to be my new go-to shade for like fall. I'm obsessed. So I am going to line them first. I'm going to use the MAC lip liner in Spice. I just feel like, you know, hopefully this goes together well. So let's apply the lip liner really quick. This lip product is considered a matte lip cream. She did come out with lip balms, which I'm very excited to try. But I really wanted to try the matte lip cream. Again, it's supposed to be like a soft matte, not a like suck all the life out of you matte, which I feel like that was the vibe like last fall, was the ultra matte liquid lip like the last few seasons. But now this like soft, more wearable, matte is coming in, and I am loving it. So let's see this color here. Exactly what I was hoping for. Nice flat applicator. Easily goes on. Oh my God. Feels nice. Kind of tripping. So like it looks matte, but when you move your lips, it's really nice and creamy and hydrating. It's not like ultra matte lips kind of like, they just freak me out. So, but it looks matte. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my God. This color, oh my God, I love it. Okay, I'm sorry. It's the first time I'm using these products and I just can't get over it. I love, like, I can't believe I have no face makeup on except for the foundation and concealer. I think that's what's really freaking me out is I keep looking in the mirror and I don't have any powder on. I don't have any bronzer, blush, highlight, nothing else on my face except for the foundation and concealer. And I'm like loving my skin, which I think that that's really what's freaking me out. The lip product is amazing. I am loving the formula. I love this color. This is going to be like a new staple for me. The brow product I do like. It wasn't my favorite of what I tried today. I wish the brush was the pencil was a little smaller. But you know, the formula again was key. That's just the thing about these products is the formulas are so unique. It's something that you do really need to try to understand. Beautiful. Love it so much. Let's see what it looks like with this hair down. So pretty, so fall vibes, but like natural beauty. Oh my God. You know, these products made me feel so beautiful and like myself. I just feel like I look like myself, which is the best feeling. It really is. So yeah, I absolutely love these products. I hope that you guys liked this little product review and tutorial. I know it wasn't a full review or the whole line or anything, but I had a lot of fun trying these products out, and you'll definitely be seeing them in more tutorials, I'm sure, and I'm sure I'll be doing more rare beauty looks as more products roll out and as I get my hands on more things. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Say what's up in the comments. I'd love to chat with you guys. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right here. I'm going to be doing little updates, and I always post little things over there on stories, and you know, go give me a follow and say hi over there. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.